How to make calls on TikTok. Now, there's a current feature on TikTok that allows you to make calls on TikTok. Unlike before, you won't be able to make calls. You can only send voice notes and also text on TikTok. But this feature allows you to make calls on TikTok, like real calls. So in this video, I'm going to simply show you how to make calls on TikTok. So guys, let's dive right into the video. Now, looking right here on the screen is the homepage of my TikTok app. At the bottom of the screen, you can see the inbox option. So let's go ahead and click on that. So right here, you just need to scroll and look for the chat that you want to make the call with. Click on it like this, and you're going to see the call option at the top right corner, just like this. So right here, you just need to go ahead and click on that. But before that, you need to know that this call feature only appears on yours once you update your TikTok app. So if you are not using the latest version of TikTok, you need to go ahead and update it. Apart from updating your app, in order for you to be able to make calls on TikTok, you need to be following that person and that person needs to be following you. That actually means that that person needs to be your friend on TikTok in order for you to be able to call that person on TikTok. So let's say I go to some other chat like this. Let's say I go to this chat like this. You can see that the call option is not showing right here at the top right corner, which actually means that this person is not my friend. Maybe I'm just following this person, but this person is not following me back. So you can only make calls with people that are following you and you are following them back. So let's click on this person's phone like this and click on the call option. And if this person is online, it is going to show ringing and you'll be able to call and talk to this person on TikTok. So this is how simple it is for you to be able to make calls on TikTok. Hope you found this guide helpful. Now do where to hit the like button, subscribe and hit notification bell. It has always been Daniel on Ask the No Fix. See you in the next one.